everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. So in this tutorial you will learn to draw hair with graphite and black pencil together. So if you are new to my channel and want to see more drawing tutorials, make sure you subscribe and click the bell icon to get notified on my future videos. So let's get into the tutorial. Before getting into the tutorial, note down the list of the material that I'll be using in this tutorial, especially this secret tool to create micro detail in my drawing. I'm starting off with the indenting technique number 1 by using the wooden tool. As you can see in the illustration, it would look like this before and after indenting. Okay, now I'm using this crochet needle for the micro detail here, and this is a secret tool that will create a very natural and realistic lines in the hair, especially for the shorter hairs. So later you can see the results. So now I'll cover up the complete remaining area with this crochet needle for the shorter hairs, so you can get an idea of the hair by following this illustration to draw the shorter hair along with me. So I'll do the same thing with the beard and other part of the hair as well. So after finishing the indentation process, now it's time to do some shading. So here I'm using 5B pencil by FABER for the first shading layer, and then I'll block the darker areas of the hair first for the contrast between shadow and highlights. After that, I'll blend them out smoothly with the blending stump or dry brush, whatever you feel comfortable with. Now I'm using darker pencil, just like 8B by DERWENT, for giving more depth in here. After that, I'll use 3B pencil by FABER for giving lighter pencil strokes in between these darker hair strokes. So now I'm using eraser to remove some graphite from the hair by using it in a hair direction, and this is for creating some highlights. And after that, I'll use 3B pencils to create some lighter strokes of hair. I'm using a black pencil for adding one more layer over this graphite layer of shading to create some more depth and enhance the darker areas more by using this black pencil. And then I'll blend them out side by side. It's time to draw some shorter hair. So as you can see that I have already created these indentation lines, smaller indentation lines, by using the crochet needle. And then I'm using here 8B DERWENT pencils to give more depth beside the indenting strokes of the crochet needle. So this is the way I use personally for creating shorter hairs, rather than just doing it with the pencil. And for the beginner, this is very easiest technique to apply. Now I'm using blending stump to popping up the more depth areas in the hair by adding more values as compared to the other part of the hair this way. So this will gives your hair more realistic look rather than going into the flat. After that, I'll blend them out to get a smooth finish. So now I'm retouching the details for making sure that every individual hair is perfectly done with the minor details. So here I'm building up some layers of these shorter hairs again until I'll get satisfied with the results. So I'll do the same procedure with the beard as well. So for the beard I'll use 3 pencil, which is 8B, 2B and this black pencil, and that's how we will cover up the beard area. final touch-ups. Our hair drying is almost done. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope this video will help you a lot, especially for the absolute beginners. So don't forget to tell me in the comment down below that how much this video was helpful for you. See you in the next tutorial. Till then, bye.